We have a MoU signing ceremony on 23rd of February at Cultural Complex Kokrajhar, Bodofa Cultural Complex Kokrajhar. That will be signed in presence of the senior scientist from ISRO, Dr. Sudhamurthy ji, in presence of BTC's Chief Pramod Boro ji. So I will be requesting each and everyone to be here in this grand MoU signing ceremony that will change the scientific scenery of this area. On 23rd of February, we all are welcome to this mega signing ceremony in presence of the ISRO representative and the Chief of BTC.
February शनिवार खालि दुलाराय ब्रह्म धर्म आफाद लोगोसे सर्वबिसि प्रशासन संघनि दैदेननायाव लोगोसे ब्रह्म धर्म कोअर्डिनेशन कमिटिनि हानजानायाव जोंनि क'क्राझाराव महायज्ञ जागोन आरो बे महायज्ञआव बे क'क्राझार बिटिआरनि खाथियाव थानाय ग्रीन फिल्डआव जागोन आरो बे फिल्डआव आं गासैखौबो खावलायनो थाबाय जाहाथे गामियारि प्राइमारि आन्चलिक जिल्ला नाङै गासैबो धर्म निरपेक्ष हिसाबै आसामनि गासैबो आइ बाबामोनखौ खावलायनो थाबाय जाहाथे बे एरियायाव बाहागो लानो आरो लोगोसे बेयाव बाहागो लागोन जोंनि आसामनि गाहाय मन्त्रि डक्टर हिमन्त बिश्व शर्मा आरो लोगोसेनो जोंनि बिटिआरनि चिफ प्रमोद बर' सारा बाहागो लागोन नालाय बेखायनो गासैबो आइ बाबामोनखौ आं गुरैयैनो दुलाराय ब्रह्म धर्म आफादनि जानानै खावलायनो थाबाय।
বিটিআৰ কিষাণ মেলা হ'বলৈ গৈ আছে। এইটো কাইলৈ আৰু পৰহিলৈ হ'ব আমাৰ দুৰ্গা মন্দিৰ ফিল্ডত আৰু ইয়াত আমাৰ বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ জেগাৰ পৰা বিটিআৰৰ বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ জেগাৰ পৰা ইয়াত আহিব মানুহ আৰু তাৰ পৰা আমাৰ ফাৰ্মাৰ্ছসকলে ইয়াত পাৰ্টিচিপেট কৰিব। তাৰ লগতে ইয়াত আমাৰ ট্ৰেইনিং ছেশ্যনো হ'ব। তাত আমি বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ ট্ৰেইনিং দিয়া যাব ফাৰ্মাৰখিনিক আৰু তাৰ লগত এটা এণ্টাৰপ্ৰিনিয়ৰশ্বিপ ডেভেলপমেণ্টৰ নিচিনাকৈ আমাৰ ষ্টলবিলাকত এক্সিবিট হ'ব বস্তুবিলাক তেওঁলোকৰ আৰু তাৰ পৰা তেওঁলোকে যদি বিক্ৰী কৰিব বিচাৰে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰো আমাৰ ফেচিলিটি ইয়াত আছে আৰু প্লাছ আমাৰ যোনখিনি ট্ৰেইনীসকল থাকিব প্ৰায় 300 ট্ৰেইনী থাকিব তেওঁলোকক আমাৰ চাৰ্টিফিকেট দিয়া হ'ব আৰু আমাৰ যোনখিনি ভাল খেতিয়ক বুলি নিৰ্বাচন কৰা আছে সেই খেতিয়কসকলক আমাৰ বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ এৱাৰ্ড থাকিব। সেই এৱাৰ্ডো দিয়া হ'ব যাতে তেওঁলোকে এটা অনুপ্ৰেৰণা পায় আৰু এই গোটেই বস্তুটো এটা ছাকচেছফুল ইভেণ্ট হ'ব বুলি আমি আশা কৰিছোঁ আৰু যাতে বিটিআৰৰ এই গোটেই কিষাণ মেলাৰ যিটো পদক্ষেপ সেইটোৱে যাতে আৰু 10জন মানুহক ইনস্পায়াৰ কৰিব পাৰে তাকে উদ্দেশ্য কৰি এই মেলাখন পতা।
I belong to this place, Kokrajhar. So youth, so my dear friends, including our respected PC sir, Register sir, and all my youth, young friends who are sitting over here, it's my privilege to say few words in front of you. Since I have left my job in 2017, I have started to work for the development of my youth of our regions. For that I have started few projects. One project that has been started in collaboration with the Bodoland channel, that was Startup Plus, where I have taken the opportunity, few of the successful people's stories, talk shows, so that young generation can be benefited out of this series. Then I have started another project called the Youth and Truth. The Youth and Truth has been a very wonderful project that is still continued. There is also being for the development of youth and people of our area. Now, regarding this today's wonderful day that we are with us with Professor Suborna Isaac Bari, as you know, and you'll be hearing from Professor Bari sir. Thank you being in this Bodoland, especially in this Bodoland University. They are the God's family, as I believe, as I am in touch with them, their family for few days. They are not general people, they are the God's people, and he is the God's child. Professor Badi is the God's child. So we'll be hearing from Professor Badi, and I must thank his parents, his guardian, his father, his God, Mr. Rashidul Badi sir, for his tremendous support, and within few words he has agreed to be here in this university, in this Bodoland. Along with that, I would like to say few words regarding one of the projects that will be we are going to start here in this university, in this Bodoland, BTC, in collaboration with the Education Department of BTC. I am working in Biomedical Space Academy as a Northeast head. We have a MoU signing ceremony on 23rd of February at Cultural Complex Kokrajhar, Bodoland Cultural Complex Kokrajhar. That will be signed in presence of the senior scientist from ISRO, Dr. Sudhamurthy ji, in presence of BTC's Chief Pramod Bolo ji. So I will be requesting each and everyone to be here in this grand MoU signing ceremony that will change the scientific scenery of this area. On 23rd of February, we all are welcome to this mega signing ceremony in presence of the ISRO representative and the Chief of BTC. So I will not take much of this time. We'll be very love to hear from Professor Isaac Badi. So thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak in front of this such a big gatherings.